God. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's first day of moving, and we have Larissa here.
Hey guys.
We have Bentley here. Look at Bentley.
Best life.
And all my stuff is pretty much packed up and ready to go. So if you guys didn't see, I did a coffee talk explaining why I'm moving, all of that fun stuff. I'll pop it up.
Everywhere I go, I hear voices in my head. Even when I'm in my sleep, they try to turn me mad. Every time I walk.
If you did watch it and you already know, then you know that today is moving day. So we have a few hours to kill before the movers show up and we go pick up our keys to our new place. I feel like I'm gonna feel good once our shit is like getting moved out of our trucks and into the apartment.
Yeah, I'm stressed about the
Before.
transition.
The transitioning, yeah, like going and picking up the keys, booking the, like, yeah. But it's gonna be good, high vibes. So hopefully you guys have a warm beverage, maybe a cold one. I don't know if it's still hot. It's September now, which, whoa. I guess that's just roll it to the next update, I guess, or B-roll. I don't know what's gonna happen next. Roll the tape, let's move. Couch is gone. My bedroom's naked. Although I gotta take that down. Okay. We're here! Vlogging you, vlogging me! This is gonna be our new wall. You guys are gonna see a lot of this wall. I can't believe we're in our new apartment.
I just want to cry.
Humans just humaning out there. Look at this chandelier.
I'm gonna have my head off that.
No, let's definitely move that thing, yeah. This is so cute. Look at our house. We haven't come up with a name yet. We need a name. If you guys can think of a name by the time, if we don't have one by the time this goes up, comment one down below. If we do, future note to me to pop it up on the screen. Okay, so first time trying to find out where I'm supposed to park. This is gonna be very interesting. Is this a one-way? Is this a one-way? Is this a one-way? No, it's not. Oh no. I think I found it! I found it! Less up. Come on, work. Here we go. Okay. I really hope the movers are good with my stuff right now. Right. Think. All right, let's try this way. Derpy derp derp derp. These skies are the bluest sky. I don't think this is it. I don't know where I am. Should I back into this? Or is that aggressive? Oh my god, this is like the best backing in I've ever done in my life. Stop it. Wow. This went way better than I anticipated. I'm gonna be one of those people that backs into their spot now. Although I hope that this is my spot because I'm still not entirely sure. Okay, let's head back and see how the moving is going. It looks so cute.
Gosh, it looks freaking.
Guys, it's slowly coming together. Alright, so we've pretty much like almost started. Night one is pretty much done, but we have a birthday party to head to, so we're wrapping it up for what we got now, and then tomorrow at
Just kidding.
Just us. We're gisting so freaking hard tomorrow. So this is what we got for now. But right now we need necessities, right? Dun, 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 dun. Also, can you guys just witness that our fridge only has alcohol in it? Should we pop that?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Here we go. Night one.
And Rolf. I'm so excited. Okay.
I am so excited for this wrap. You happy? Oh my god. What is up? Okay, so it's been a few days since I last updated you guys. I also just woke up from a nap, so excuse me, I'm a little delirious. I also was just thinking about the fact that like napping with a face of makeup on is one of like the riskiest, most strategic things that we do, and just like nobody ever really talks about it. I like lay my hair like kind of in the way so that if I like move my face I don't get makeup all over the pillow, but then you kind of get makeup in your hair. But then I was just checking my hair and I did it without getting makeup in my hair, and I'm just like, wow. Yeah. Okay, so tell everyone how you've been doing. So today is like our second full day in the apartment, but technically it's like the first work day since Monday was a holiday. So yesterday was kind of more like a Sunday. Larissa and I were just hanging out. And then today being Tuesday, Larissa's off at work and I have done like my morning routine up until now. It's actually getting pretty close to 2 p.m. I did my emails. I just like started to establish my new routine here in the apartment and I loved it. I did my workout, I did some yoga, I got a lot of stuff done this morning, so it felt really good. And then I was just like, wow, I've been up for 6 hours already and I'm tired. Took a nap, woke up, and now I'm just updating you guys. The move is going super well, but I keep on having to go back and forth because like I said, there's still a lot of stuff that I still need to go through in my old apartment, and I have that apartment for about a month before I have to fully be out of there. There's people moving into it October 1st, I believe, but my plan is that I'd like to be out of there hopefully by the end of this week, if not next week. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of an early bedroom tour of my apartment. I'm not gonna give you guys the full apartment tour yet. You're gonna have to wait for that one. But I do wanna give you guys a bit of an early bedroom tour to wrap up this video. So there's still some fun stuff. I hope your snacks are still good and your coffee is still warm because we still have stuff to do. First things first, for today, with heading back to the old apartment to pick stuff up, today I wanna bring my bike back. So I think I'm actually just going to throw on some headphones, bite the bullet and just take the walk, like instead of driving my Jeep over there. And then that way I can just grab my bike and then bike it back. It might be a bit of an adventure. It's gonna be a bit of a walk, but that's fine. It's super duper nice out, so I don't really mind. And then that way my bike is here because I wanna have my bike here to explore and just do things and stuff. I have more stuff going on this week that I'm just gonna wanna be able to bike to rather than Uber to and just save money. I wanna hang up my curtain lights on this wall, and then I wanna set up my office stuff, which is right out here. So I'm gonna do that on camera with you guys and then give you guys a bit of like a mini bedroom tour. So that's currently my plan.
It's not ordinary, it's not casual. All the feels you're giving me, all the feels. No, it's not a bullet, but you hit me with all the feels you're giving me, all the feels. Bottle up and don't sell it to no one. $1 million when you're riding the shotgun. Generous, oh baby, what a steal. Cause you're giving me all the feels. That's how I know it's real. Cause you give me all the feels. You're giving me all the feels. Oh, you make it hard to deal when you give me all the feels. Like Friday night, out this world like a satellite, and it feels like, oh my, nothing that I'm used to with you. You know when you got it, there's no doubt about it.
The curtain lights are back. I'm never gonna get over how good the lighting is in this place. Where should we sit, you guys? Shut my window really quick. Woo! Okay, come here. Come say hi. How happy are you? Here you go. It keeps on being more than I anticipated the next time I go to update you guys, but this is my final closing point. I'm gonna give you guys a little mini exclusive sneak peek tour. I don't want to show you guys too much because I feel like, okay, this is what I mean. He loves it. Like he's just like, yes, let me just bathe here. Get the last bit of sunlight of the day, hey? Before it leaves the apartment. Most of the stuff that we are doing to our apartment isn't like ready yet. Like there's a lot of art that I'm getting from Society 6. I have a really fun video coming for that. And just in general, there's just like a gallery wall here that I want to do that I obviously haven't done yet. But that said, considering it's a moving vlog, I feel like I have to give you guys a little bit of a tour of the new place. You know, you didn't get to see a whole lot of it. So I'm gonna share with you guys really quick before I leave you a mini, I don't know if I wanna do my bedroom, my closet, my office, or like downstairs. There's so many areas, even my bathroom. So I'll do my bedroom, and I'm gonna keep the office area, which you guys can kind of see right now. It's like there. I'm gonna leave that, and I'm gonna leave my closet and everything else in the house for the apartment tour that's gonna be part of Youtober. It's a little bit of a wait, but it'll be totally worth it, I promise you guys. And in the meantime, you're gonna be seeing it in vlogs and videos and on Instagram and all of that fun stuff. So all that I need to do is go back to my old apartment and just organize through my clothing and just a little bit of just like, you know, miscellaneous stuff like books and candles and stuff that I just need to kind of go through. I'm so elated. I love this place. It just keeps getting better and better. That's what like Larissa and I were talking about. You wanna go in there? Larissa and I were talking about it last night. We're just like, this place, like there has been nothing about it yet that there's just like even extra things. Like even just where I do my yoga, it's somewhere that I didn't even think of. And it just like naturally happened. And everything is just going into places so perfectly. And I'm like, where should I put this? And then a place just arrives and I put it there and I'm like, or like, where's the closest Starbucks? 5-second walk away. Where's the CN Tower? 5-second walk away. Like, oh my God. I don't even remember, honestly, up until this point, how much I vlogged for this moving, but I've been falling already into a bit of routine. I was kind of telling you guys that yesterday, but today I woke up, I did my workout, I went for a run, I went for a little walk in the morning, like early wee morning hours with Bentley, and posted it to Instagram, actually, on his Instagram, if you guys haven't seen it. Just been really happy. I'm just so in love with this space. You know when you just have like such a good feeling about a place? That's how I feel here. I can just tell that I'm gonna live some of the best years of my life in this apartment. Feeling a little bittersweet about leaving my last apartment as the days were winding down. And so was Larissa. Like she had such a cool apartment with such a sick view too. And we were just like it was one of those things where we were really excited, but it didn't really feel real. So I was kind of so focused on what I was leaving and I just didn't even fully grasp just like how wicked what was coming was gonna be. Anyway, you guys are probably just sick of hearing me ramble about it and you're probably just like, just show us the goddamn room. So I will. First of all, welcome to our home. Larissa's at work right now, so she probably would say the same thing, but I'm gonna speak for her when I say welcome to our home. Welcome to the Badass Babes Club. We're throwing a housewarming that's gonna be a full-on video, like just a full-on vlog, and just hang tight till Youtober for a apartment tour, like full on, I guess it's more of like a house tour because we kind of live in a house. I'm gonna move you guys because someone's mowing the lawn, so it's getting really loud. Like I said, without further ado, here's a really, really early sneak peek of my bedroom. It's not even close to being done yet. Shall we begin? We'll walk out this way. So this is like the doorway to my room. This is my little entrance. This is where my office is. So when you walk in, this is what you see. So that's my bathroom. I'll show you guys that in the apartment tour. That's my closet. I'm gonna do a full-on fall closet tour, so hang tight for that. This is where I hung this bad boy. And then this right here is my bedroom. We've got the curtain lights. You guys saw me hang those up. Over here, we've got desk tray, which I've been using for my laptop, but I was doing tarot last night, so I left my tarot out. And I have my guitar and my yoga mat. And I literally just pull out my yoga mat like right here in front of this window and just do yoga, and it's incredible. We have Luna, then we have my mirror, and then my planter. I have to go pick up my plants. Some of you guys were tweeting me and asking me like, what are you doing with your plants? And I'm like, I'm bringing them. I didn't want to put them in like boxes and then get them damaged, so I have to go pick those up this week. Bentley's kennel, that's just temporary there for now. And then this is my bed, and then I just got new bedding, which I showed you guys already. And I am again not fully done all of this, and like this wall is going to be a big gallery wall of art, but this is like the beginnings of, can we just like, so many Youtober vibes, honestly. I just have my dream catcher, my 2 melted candles. This guy, again, if you guys have been subscribed to me for a while, you'll know exactly who this is, but I got this little elephant in Dominican. He's carved out a coconut and he's supposed to bring her home good luck. And I forget the guy that we bought it from, but he was just like the sweetest person ever. So I got that when I went with my sister and I put it up in every single apartment I've lived in. And then this clock Larissa actually just gave me, but like it's true Youtuber vibes. She was gonna literally get rid of it and I was like, I'll take it. So that is my little setup. And then the hallway and then back out to the main parts of the place. This room gets so much daylight. Like Bentley has been sunbathing and just in general, my last apartment didn't ever get any direct sunlight. And it's something that I actually like, I didn't realize it right away, but I'm someone that I really need just like a good direct amount of sunlight to lay in, especially come the winter months. So that's gonna be super nice. So that's like the sneak peek of my bedroom and us moving in. It was such a wild weekend. I can't believe it's Wednesday now, by the way. But it was such a wild weekend. I feel like it went by so fast. It went so smoothly, like getting everything here and moving everything in. I hired a couple movers and then like we just did the rest ourselves. And speaking of having family and stuff visit, I'm just excited. I'm so excited to just like show everyone our place. And I went and stocked up on groceries today. I have my first volleyball game tonight. I didn't even tell you guys about that. I joined, not only did I join a volleyball team, I'm the captain. They ask you a question, they're like, would you want to be a captain if we can't find one? And I was like, and apparently they couldn't find one. With that said, I actually need to wrap this up so I can finish editing in time for my volleyball game tonight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this moving vlog and this moving series. I'm just excited about everything in life right now. I'm excited about Youtober. I'm excited about fall. I'm excited about the housewarming, Halloween, just all the things. I'm excited to finish this bedroom and then like actually give you guys a tour, like a full tour. Definitely look out in Youtober for the full on like apartment tour slash house tour. And aside from that, anything else you guys want to see, leave a comment down below. I planned out most of my videos, but I'm always down to kind of swap things out if I'm feeling super inspired by them. So leave any ideas or requests down below. Hello, you've joined us for the outro. And with that, we will see you guys all in our next video. Can you say bye? Say bye. Say, I have a lawn now. I just get to frolic in. Did you chase the squirrels? Go get them. All right, bye guys.